The topic we are going to discuss today is Lord Jim, a novel written by Joseph Conrad. This novel was first serialized in Blackwood's magazine from 1899 to 1900 and later on published as a complete novel in 1900. Joseph Conrad was a Polish British writer known for his deep psychological and moral themes. His famous works are like Heart of Darkness, The Secret of Agent, etc. Conrad was heavily influenced by a former sailor and his maritime experiences. His works often explored the themes of imperialism, personal integrity, and existential guilt. Conrad's work Lord Jim was inspired by real-life Jeddah incident 1880, where a ship's officers abandoned Muslim pilgrims at sea. It also reflects Conrad's own experiences at sea and his psychological ideas about horror and redemption. This work is set in colonial Southeast Asia, highlighting Western and Eastern cultural interactions. We are going to just focus on what is important for our net, and therefore we will discuss about a small summary of this work and then go on with major characters, as nowadays net is also asking questions related to your characters. So first let us begin with the short summary of the novel. Lord Jim, it follows Jim, who is a young British seaman and dreams to be a hero. मतलब he himself wishes to be a hero figure but faces disgrace when he abandons the Patna, a sinking ship full of Muslim pilgrims. Though the ship is later rescued, Jim is publicly shamed and stripped of his officer's certificate. Seeking redemption, he roams Southeast Asia and settles in Patushan, a name of a place. Patushan is a remote island where Jim gains the trust of the locals and becomes their leader. However, when the pirate gentleman Brown arrives, Jim's decision to trust him leads to disaster. Accepting responsibility for his failure, Jim then allows himself to be killed in an act of atonement. So, this was a short summary of Jim, how he abandons the Muslim ships and then later on goes to Patushan, where he becomes their leader, and at last he allows himself to be killed as an act of atonement. Let us then discuss about the major characters in this work. The main protagonist is Jim, who is a British seaman struggling with guilt and redemption. He is guilty of what he did, to the Muslim pilgrims. Next character is Marlowe, a recurring narrator in Conrad's work who tells Jim's story. The speaker here is Marlowe. Next character is Gentleman Brown. He is a ruthless pirate who manipulates Jim in sense of honor. Cornelius is next character, who is a treacherous and jealous character who betrays Jim. Joel, Jim's love interest, a strong-willed woman in Patushan. Next and last important character is Stain, a European trader who helps Jim find a new place in Patushan. I hope till the characters you are clear, and then we will move on to one-liner theme. The work, this novel, Lord Jim, explores guilt, redemption, and struggle for personal honor in face of past mistakes. Now let us discuss about the character development of Jim. Jim was an idealistic young man who initially exudes confidence, but after his failure aboard in Patna, he becomes a character marked by self-doubt and internal conflict. His desire for redemption is what drives him throughout the novel. He was guilty throughout the novel, and his internal quest for a sense of moral worth is crucial to his journey. Even though he gains some measures of honor in Patushan, the novel's tragic conclusion suggests the true redemption is elusive. Few symbols in this story are the Patna, which represents Jim's moment of failure. It also symbolizes the threshold between his dreams of heroism and a brutal reality of downfall. Next symbol is Patushan. Patushan is a remote village where Jim finds a measure of redemption, which can be seen both as a literal and symbolic place where Jim attempts to start over. It represents both isolation and possibility of rebirth.